Welcome, fellow travelers, to another exciting exploration. Today, we're taking you on a virtual tour of the beautiful Swiss city of Lausanne. While you may be familiar with its stunning lakeside views and Olympic heritage, there's a treasure trove of lesser-known facts waiting to be uncovered. So, grab your virtual backpacks, and let's dive into the hidden secrets of Lausanne. The Olympic capital. Lausanne is often referred to as the Olympic capital for a reason. Did you know that the International Olympic Committee, IOC, has its headquarters right here? Lausanne has been the home of the IOC since 1915, making it the epicenter of all things Olympic. The underground Roman city. Beneath the modern streets of Lausanne lies a secret from the past, the ancient Roman city of Lausanne. Visitors can explore the ruins and remnants of this once thriving Roman settlement right in the heart of the city. The world's smallest cathedral? Lausanne is home to the world's smallest cathedral, the charming Cathedral of Notre Dame. Despite its modest size, it's a masterpiece of Gothic architecture and houses some remarkable medieval sculptures and paintings. The Lavaux Vineyards. Lausanne is the gateway to the stunning Lavaux Vineyards, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This terraced vineyard stretches for miles along Lake Geneva, offering breathtaking views and world-class wines. The collection of Olympic memorabilia. Inside the Olympic Museum, you'll find an astonishing collection of Olympic memorabilia, including medals, torches, and the personal artifacts of legendary athletes. It's a must-visit for sports enthusiasts and history buffs alike. The City of Festivals. Lausanne is a city that loves to celebrate. Throughout the year, it hosts numerous festivals, including the Festival de la Cité, a vibrant arts and music festival, and the Lausanne Underground Film and Music Festival for cinema lovers. The Olympic Flame's birthplace. You might be familiar with the Olympic flame tradition, but did you know that the first Olympic flame was lit right here in Lausanne in 1928 during the Winter Olympics? It's a symbol of unity and sportsmanship that was born in this very city. The musical clock tower. Lausanne boasts a fascinating musical clock tower known as the L'Heure Bleue. What sets it apart is its musical composition that changes every day, offering residents and visitors a unique auditory experience with each passing hour. The Underwater Sculpture Park. A hidden gem for divers and art enthusiasts alike is the Underwater Sculpture Park in Lake Geneva, just off the coast of Lausanne. Here, you'll find a collection of submerged sculptures that form an underwater art gallery, making it a truly unique attraction. The spectacular Château d'Ucci. Château d'Ucci, a stunning castle by the lakeside, is not just a luxurious hotel but also a place rich in history. It was originally built as a fortress in the 12th century and later transformed into the elegant castle we see today. The Lausanne Escaliers du Marché. Lausanne is a city of stairs, with over 1,000 steps scattered across its hilly terrain. The Escaliers du Marché, or market stairs, is one of the most picturesque staircases, leading to a colorful market square and offering splendid views of the city. The Chocolate and Cheese Paradise. Switzerland is renowned for its chocolate and cheese, and Lausanne is no exception. Here, you can embark on delightful food tours, exploring local chocolate shops and cheese dairies, indulging in Swiss culinary delights. The Palais de Rumine Observatory. Lausanne is home to the Palais de Rumine, a majestic neoclassical building housing museums and libraries. But did you know that it also boasts an observatory? Visitors can gaze at the stars and planets from this historical astronomical observatory, making it a celestial delight. The Lausanne Cathedral's tilted bell tower. Lausanne Cathedral, known for its Gothic beauty, has a distinctive feature: a slightly tilted bell tower. The tower began to lean during its construction in the 13th century, and it leans even more than the famous Leaning Tower of Pisa. The Lausanne Opera House's hidden treasure. The Opéra de Lausanne is not only a cultural treasure but also a geological one. Its grand marble staircase is adorned with 40 different types of Swiss and international marbles, a testament to the city's appreciation for both art and nature. The local Flon neighborhood's transformation. Lausanne's Flon neighborhood has undergone a remarkable transformation. Once an industrial district, it has become a trendy hub of art, culture, and nightlife. The area's blend of modern design and historical charm is truly unique. The Cité Hidden Gardens. While exploring the historic Cité district, don't miss the hidden gardens. Tucked away behind the old city walls, these tranquil green spaces offer a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of the city. The Chocolate Trail. Chocolate lovers, listen up! Lausanne has a delectable chocolate trail that takes you on a journey through the city's best chocolate shops and confectionaries. It's a sweet adventure that reveals the city's rich chocolate heritage. The Lausanne street art scene. While Lausanne is known for its historical charm, it's also a canvas for contemporary art. The city's street art scene has been thriving, with colorful murals and graffiti that add a modern artistic dimension to its streets. The underground world of Lausanne. Lausanne has an intriguing underground world, with a network of tunnels and shelters that date back to World War II. These tunnels have been repurposed and transformed into unique spaces, including a nightclub and even a cheese cellar. The Beige Art Ballet Lausanne. Lausanne has a deep connection to the world of dance. The city is home to the prestigious Beige Art Ballet Lausanne, founded by the legendary choreographer Maurice Beige-Art. It continues to mesmerize audiences with its captivating performances. The Collection de l'Art Brut. Art enthusiasts will be delighted to discover the Collection de l'Art Brut, a museum that showcases the works of self-taught artists and outsiders. It's a celebration of creativity that pushes the boundaries of conventional art. The Olympic Flame Journey. While we mentioned Lausanne's Olympic heritage, did you know that the Olympic Flame's journey begins here before each Olympic Games? The flame is lit in Olympia, Greece, and then transported to Lausanne, where it starts its international journey to the host city. The eclectic food scene. Lausanne's culinary scene is a delightful blend of international flavors and local specialties. The city's diverse restaurants and markets offer a gastronomic journey that's sure to satisfy every palate. The Palais de Justice's timeless clock. Lausanne's Palais de Justice is adorned with a timeless clock that has an intriguing feature. The clock's hands move backward, defying the conventional forward motion, making it a distinctive and curious piece of horological history. The preservation of ancient vineyards. Lausanne takes its wine heritage seriously, even preserving ancient vineyards within the city limits. These urban vineyards are maintained by the city and offer a unique opportunity to explore Swiss winemaking traditions right in the heart of town. The Swiss Federal Institute of Technology, EPFL. Lausanne is home to the prestigious Swiss Federal Institute of Technology, or EPFL, known for its cutting-edge research and innovation. It's a hub for scientific advancements and a testament to Switzerland's commitment to education and technology. The Lausanne Metro's mini art galleries. The Lausanne Metro isn't just a mode of transportation, it's also a showcase for art. The metro stations feature mini art galleries with rotating exhibitions, allowing commuters to enjoy culture as they travel. The Sculpture Garden of Parc de Mon Repos. Parc de Mon Repos, a tranquil park in Lausanne, houses a hidden gem, a sculpture garden featuring works by renowned Swiss artists. It's a serene space where art and nature harmoniously coexist. The equestrian tradition. Lausanne has a strong equestrian tradition, and the city hosts prestigious horse shows and events. The love for horses is deeply embedded in the culture, and visitors can witness impressive equestrian displays. The Lausanne Conservatory of Music. Lausanne is not only a hub for sports and culture but also a nurturing ground for musical talents. The Lausanne Conservatory of Music has trained world-renowned musicians, including the famous conductor Charles Dutoit. The Labyrinth of Lutry. Just a short trip from Lausanne, in the charming town of Lutry, you'll find an enchanting labyrinth. It's a hidden garden maze with intricate paths that invite you to lose yourself in a delightful maze of greenery. The collection of the Fondation de l'Hermitage. Art lovers should make time for the Fondation de l'Hermitage, a hidden gem of a museum in a 19th-century mansion. It hosts temporary exhibitions showcasing diverse art forms, from painting to sculpture. The Flower Clock at Jardin Anglais. While Jardin Anglais is a well-known park, few realize the intricate flower clock's rich history. It's not only a timekeeper but also a symbol of Switzerland's watchmaking expertise, adorned with over 6,500 flowers. The Hôtel de Ville's decorative details. Lausanne's Hôtel de Ville, or City Hall, is not only an administrative building but also an architectural marvel. It's adorned with exquisite decorative details, including intricate frescoes and statues. The mirror sculpture in Olympic Park. Olympic Park in Lausanne is home to a unique mirrored sculpture known as One World. It reflects the park's surroundings, inviting visitors to contemplate the idea of unity and interconnectedness. And there you have it, fellow adventurers. A final set of captivating and lesser-known facts about the splendid city of Lausanne, Switzerland. It's a place where history, art, culture, and innovation converge, offering endless discoveries to those who seek them. If you've enjoyed this extended voyage of discovery, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more incredible explorations. Until next time, keep wandering, and remember, every city has its own unique treasures waiting to be unveiled.